So I wanted to make a video to help you guys with your resumes. So if you're a new grad nurse and this is the first nursing resume that you've had to make, this is a very easy way to do it. It's basically done for you. You just swap out your info. So I wanted to take you inside the resume templates that I have for new grad nurses so you can see how you might be able to get this done in a way that seems less intimidating to cross off your to-do list than making a resume from scratch. As you can see in Safari, the formatting looks a little bit funky because the browser is not supported anymore for Canva. So it works a lot better if you go to Chrome. So you open your PDF, find the link to edit, open with Chrome, and then scroll down to the purple option, the edit template, or use template for new design. And then you'll want to where it says use template for new design. And then scroll down to the page that you're going to want to edit. Make it big enough so you can see. And then you can start putting in your info. So let's say, for example, your name is Emily. So you can just put in your info instead. And let's say you actually got a 4.0. So we'll change your GPA, not a 34.0. And let's say you're from San Francisco. And then you might need to do a little bit of reformatting, which is super easy to do in Canva if the amount of text that you're putting in is different from the example. So let's say instead of float pool, you are in the cardiac ICU. It's super easy to just swap out the info, and this is a resume that's already done for you. You don't have to do the formatting from scratch. You just have to edit it just a little bit to make it fit the info that you want to put in. And it can make your resume, instead of take hours and hours, it can take maybe 20-30 minutes and you're done. This is another example. For this one, there's two different looks. I liked them both and I couldn't decide, so I included both of them for you guys. But let's say we want to change this to Jane Doe. Super easy. And let's say instead of CPMC, or let's say you got a 4.0, and then let's say you, instead of CPMC, you want to say Stanford. I don't know why I added a period there. Let's delete that. So right now, when I'm recording this, I have 5 different options for the resume templates. I'll show you those really quick so you can see how they're all a little bit different, but super easy to plug your info into and just check this resume off of your list of things to do. So these are 5 different options that I have up right now. I'd like to make more of them. They take a bit of time, but I feel like having the variety is kind of nice. So if you've used these, let me know what you think. I'm really excited about them. I think it'll make applying for jobs a little bit of an easier task to start doing. And then you can focus more on building your answers instead of trying to format a resume from scratch. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comments.